Rainmaker. You're asking me about Rainmaker and what they've done for me? I wouldn't know where to start with that question. When I first opened my doors a little over 6 years ago, I was really struggling to figure out how to break into this market. I had heard about Rainmaker and the history they had had with waterproofing companies. So I investigated them at first, and not knowing enough about the industry and being exceptionally frustrated with that whole Google world and how to get leads and reviews and all that good stuff, I was hopeless. Started there. I actually left Rainmaker because they were the first ones I started with. I was new to the area. I really wasn't sure how they were doing compared to others. Let me tell you the nightmare that was. Spent a little less than a year with another company and realized what I'd actually had with Rainmaker. Switching back to Rainmaker, I was able to get down with the staff that they have there, right down to the nitty-gritty of what it was my business needed in order to grow. They spent countless hours now with me, educating me on the Google world, on the world of internet marketing, Facebook advertising, YouTube advertising. They have a tremendous staff that's dedicated to helping you succeed as a company, and they have shown that to me. They've taken my lead flow business to a whole new height, a whole new level. Where I would be without them, honestly, I'm not quite sure I'd still be in business, because it was with their creativity and their ideas that helped generate the leads that have gotten me to where I am in the business world. So as far as working with Rainmaker, I can't make a higher recommendation.
Hello, my name is John Bryan from AquaGuard Waterproofing. We are one of the largest foundation repair companies in the Maryland, DC, and Virginia area. We have been a client of Rainmaker for many years. I recommend their services to anyone that is looking for web development, SEO, a presence on the internet. They are the experts in their field. Rainmaker is the company to turn to. I highly recommend them.